Thank you, Digital. Thank you. Welcome, retail fam, MBO over again, trading crypto. Welcome everyone. There was a problem going on. Because I created a live in the morning for this time, and when I started creating, it created automatically another live. So that's why I'm sorry, very sorry for that one. You know, a technical issue, but I hope that you guys all skipped to this stream over here. So I think, give me the thumbs up if you can hear me, and I hope that everyone is here. If you're seeing the other ones that are still didn't flip to this one, please leave a comment for them, help them. I also share the link over there, so I hope that most of you guys are over here. So welcome. What do we got over here? Let me first start. We got Cosmin, now Week. We've got Amir H. We've got Alpiman David, X Claro Mario Nobre, Biggie, Hi O, Alcops, Alpiman, Sonia Schmidt, Rosie Phil, Christopher Jones. Welcome guys. Welcome to this stream. I planned this stream because I was a bit busy today, couldn't make a vid, so I decided to do one. For me, it's in the evening hours over here, so it's like, what is it? It's like 7:30 over here. So let's dive in directly. Let's just dive, guys. Okay, thumbs are up. Okay, thank you. Guys, first of all, Bitcoin, what's going on? Why is it Bitcoin? It's just we touched this zone over here, made even high, and then this scammy dump back into the indicator. And as you guys can see, indicator, and this is where they're trying to hold it again. So that's, let me put it on the daily. I was looking, oh, the daily, we've got more space to come down. So look at this, guys. Look at this. We touched this one over here, touched it, and boom. But this is, what is this? This is like almost a 2K drop. Well, I explained to you guys in the previous vids. It's just pump and dumpy, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And for the hodlers, it's very tough to trade this. But for the traders, they love this. They love this price action. So it just go up, they're long, they short, they're long, they're short, and they keep making money up and down, buying low, selling high, buying low, selling. So that's the only way it's the only way to manage these markets at this moment, because it's all you see. It's just like over here. It goes up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And the only thing that can save you from this volatility, because over now we're testing really a strong support zone over here. See this block over here? It comes also together with the indicator on the 4 hour. So this is what we're eyeing at this moment. And you know, it looks very dumpy to me. Let's see if this will hold. It's you know, it looks very dumpy. Let me check the markets. What's going on? Why is the US? Well, the US 500 is just this thing just keeps ramping up. It's, you know, see this small dumpy is pushing Bitcoin down like a dog. It's really, this is crypto, guys. These guys, they just keep, well, first of all, if you are shocked about Bitcoin going down, go watch my vid that I did yesterday in the evening. Go watch it, because why I've been preparing I've been preparing you for this scenario. And you know, and this is nothing, by the way, this is really nothing, because if you would look at this, guys, this thing is still holding so strong, and we made this bounce. This was, well, the unemployment figures came out, and okay, let's dump down. And then, you know, this is always the same at the US 500. Every dump gets bought up and pumps even more. So this is just these guys at Wall Street, they just don't surrender. As long as the Biden administration is supporting the economy, and they're pumping, printing, they're doing whatever. They just want those stocks to keep going up. Like, there's nothing going on. We're going to the moon, and this will keep going on like this until the election, in my opinion. So I really hope that we will get our big dump on the US 500, because it will be a very good buying opportunity on a lot of altcoins, especially our top 10 coins. But they just won't. You see it, look, this drop down into the indicator and then boom, and then there she goes. But Bitcoin is looking super weak at this moment. So just that you guys know it, well, they will try to defend this indicator. I'm pretty sure about that one. But yeah, it depends on if the US 500 at this moment, so at this moment, if the US 500 decides to drop down, suppose that the US 500 will just go down to the indicator even lower, you're gonna see a dump on Bitcoin. You're gonna see a Bitcoin at 69.2, 69.3. It will happen very fast, in my opinion. Well, let's see. We're live. And I decided to do this stream just before the market closed, so I'm gonna take my time. We're gonna stay here for a while. We're gonna talk about a lot of things. And again, guys, if you care about your money, if you care, I make these vids like once in a month about market updates, well, on the macro, and I'm gonna combine a lot of charts together. And you know, those vids is what saves you a lot of money, if you understand what I explained over there. So go watch that video yesterday. Just watch it. It's called Last Leg Up. Go watch that vid. It's really, it will open your eyes on a lot of things that you never saw before, and you didn't even think about them. It was just like Mike, he just in a tweet, he was talking about, yeah, well, I was watching that GME guys, what's his name again? Kitty, whatever. You know, why would I waste my time to go watch Kitty, what's Kitty saying, I really don't get it. I really don't get it. If you, as a retailer, the only thing you should focus on is, how am I going to make money today, tomorrow, and yesterday? And go focus on that. Educate yourself how to make money, those small moves. Why would you go watch Kitty? What is Kitty going to tell you that's going to make you money? It's just like a lot of other crypto shows. A lot of music and this and that, and we're going to this and that, but they will tell you nothing. Oh my God, why is this thing so? Let me put it. It's breaking down. It's breaking down. It's breaking down. It's breaking. And maybe we'll get a spike down and then a close above the Indy. I think that's what's going to happen now. Look at this, guys. We're going down. Okay, let's see how those shorts of the team should be doing very good. Okay, guys. Let's see what we're going to talk about today. Yes, we were going to talk about some altcoins. I prepared some. Guys, first of all, this one. I'm liking this one. This Contentos. I don't know what Contentos is, but go check out Contentos. Contentos. I really have no clue what Contentos is. There was one in the morning that told me I'm going to short Contentos. Wait a minute. This is no coin to short at this moment. When you want to short the easy targets. Don't short the ones that have got a lot of potential to grow. And at this moment, this thing is on a 73 million volume on a 64 million market cap. That's so. If you were shorting it, well, congrats, but this is a risky short in my opinion. That's not what we do. We are game traders. We don't go into the risky ones. We take the easy ones. And that's how you keep nailing your target, by nailing like more than 90% of your trades. That's what I do. Gain trading. That's why it's called gain trading. And in my opinion, if you go short a coin on this volume and looking so good, and you're going to short it, and it makes another rump up. So suppose that this thing came down, made another rump up, you get liquidated over here if you don't know how to leverage trade. So this is not how you trade. That's not, because this scammy coin closed below the Indy, and then we've got this scammy pump up and then scammy dump down. But this is why that volume is so strong. When the volume is very high, it's very dangerous. But first of all, let's look at this thing. What is this? This is Contentos. What is this? It's a decentralized content distribution network that aims to remove intermediaries. Okay, well, looking good. are we interested in buying this coin? Well, in my opinion, on this volume, the fully diluted market cap is on 124. I think something is brewing over here. I think that this thing has got some potential, I think. But you know, for now, let me show you guys the facts. And the facts are the charts. So I can have an opinion, I can have whatever, but the charts rule. For now, what we're seeing now is this. We made this high, this was a lower high. So this is bearish. This means a downtrend is going on. You could even see it like this. So just bear with me. Listen, guys. I'm now teaching you guys how to recognize a coin if you want to be bullish or bearish on it. So over here, you could even make this trend line now. You can make something like this, and you can put something like this. And you've got the daily over here. The indicator will also show you a lot. So over here now it's traveling over, but if it will come back into this box, and suppose that this content us, why? Because guys, I'm teaching you when the volume is increasing very high means that there is something going on. It could be a scammy pump just to get people in and then they dump after. But look at this thing. Where is it? Where are we? Where are we when we zoom out? Look where we are. Look how it's looking. This is looking freaking good, guys. This is just a big double on the highly time frame. So maybe. So first of all, first level to watch over here is this one, the box over here. So the 10 cents, the 10 cent over here. This is the first one. If we'll lose this one, then we'll get into this box. What is this? It's this liquidity zone over here. So it's very near. So there is not a lot. So this is for now. If we'll see if it's real, the volume, and there's money come down, maybe over here and then go break down, or we'll see something like this come down and even chop around, maybe even get into this, and then at some point over here go up. So I think that this coin with this volume, if this will maintain, there will be a lot of buy pressure and buying opportunities on this coin. So that's what I think. Let me go to the next one. What is the next one, by the way? Let me wait. What is the next one that I'm eyeing? So was this? No, this is not that one. Where is my list? I made a list. Where is my list? Where is my list? Oh, here's my list. Here's my list. This one also, guys, I'm zooming out for you guys. This is really on the monthly. Keep an eye on Ash, guys. Ash is, there is something going on with Ash. Ash, we've got this zone. If we will break this zone, then it's arrivederci. Then we're going. So I'm eyeing Ash like crazy. I want to show you guys another one. Centrifuge. Centrifuge, guys, listen, this is on the monthly. Look, we've got this over here. This box needs to hold. And as you guys can see, are you seeing what I'm seeing? What I'm seeing is this. A nice cup and handle. Up and then kaboom. So centrifuge, guys, it needs some volume, but I'm eyeing centrifuge. So keep an eye on centrifuge. So let me put it on the weekly. I was looking on the weekly. Look at this. 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 Let me remove this on the weekly. Look at this centrifuge. Listen, we're sleeping. Listen, look how beautifully. This is so beautiful. Look at this. This is. Look at this. We broke the indie over here. Up. Look how we. If you guys, you know, I made a vid about this, by the way. These altcoins, a lot of altcoins, though they break the indie, they come back, they find support. You know, these moves are a lot of money, guys. So now we're testing over here. We're testing over here. So what's going to happen? What is going to happen? Let's see. Let me go to the next one. 3. Keep an eye on 3, guys. There is something going on with 3. Let me go to the next one. Polytrade. Look at Polytrade. Look at Polytrade. Up, down, nice big pump up, lost the indie. So this is looking super bearish. So this Polytrade, if it gets back to the 41 cents, might be something going on over there. Let me go to track. Shield coin. Listen, look how beautifully. Up, retest the indicator, up, and we're back in the indicator. And also this liquidity zone over here. So you're seeing this, you're seeing what's happening now. If it's going to hold this, it's the same. Cup and handle. Are you seeing it? Cup and handle, and then off we go. So that's about track. Hook also, guys, I'm showing you guys that really the shield coins like crazy. They're shilling these coins like crazy. Listen, it's accumulating up, down, up, down. We're now in the down region. So look at this. Might we get some? Maybe. This old dog, listen, this old dog, I was eyeing it today and I was thinking to myself, what's going on? This O&T, this is an old dog, guys. Look at this. Look at this. We're at 30 cents. Look at this. It's trying. Ontology, guys. Don't worry. When the volume increases, I will share on Twitter. Don't worry about it. Then we've got another one, Neo. Look at this guy, Neo. At some point, these coins have to, look at this. Just look at this. Let me go to the next one, Vida. Bon Vida. This, I shared this. Look, this is on the monthly, guys. Look at this, Bon Vida. Let me check the volume on Bon Vida. One moment, please. Bear with me. Guys, I'm showing you what to prepare for in the weekend. I'm showing you the coins that will probably do something big. This is 35 million volume out of 53 million. Just keep in mind that the fully diluted market cap is 380 of this one. But look at that chart. Just saying. Another dog, Moon River. Oh my God, Moon River. I really don't get it. I really don't understand why people even trying to buy Moon River. I really have no clue. Why would anyone buy Moon River? If you've got some money and you want to buy something, buy GLMI instead. This is just the test coin of GLMI. So if you want to, I don't know, if there is a group of shillers that are going to shill Moon River together, maybe this thing will make a nice pump up. Possible. We will chase it based on the volume, but Moon River. Let me check the volume, because it was shared also on the coins today. Listen, Moon River. Look at this thing. What is Moon River? It's a market cap of 147 with a 33 million. I would rather buy GLMI. Let me go to the next one. LDO. Look at this thing. What is this? LDO. Not interested. Then we've got this one, MLK. What is MLK? MLK. Okay. MLK. Look at this. Look at this chart. This is about the most scammy chart you can. This is. Let me put it on the weekly. Look how this is looking. Look at this dump over here. This is a super dangerous coin, guys. This is super dangerous coin. Look at this. Let me go to the next one. ETHFI. With Ethereum, FOMO going on. Look at this. Okay. CKB. This coin is looking super strong, by the way, guys. I already talked about it. Also in the free private group, I talked about this one. This CKB, I don't know. Listen, they made a really nice high over here. They dumped down like 50%. This is a layer 0. Let me check it. CKB nervous network. What is going on, nervous network? Are you guys nervous or not? Let me see. Yeah, looking good. 45 million on a 900 million market cap. Could this be the next big thing? The next big blockchain? I don't know. Chart is looking super bullish. Arkham. Whatever. Okay, I saw some volume hitting in on UMA. Do you guys remember this pump on UMA? And do you guys also remember when we shorted this? I gave the call to short this. You also remember how much money the team made on this short over here? Do you remember? Well, UMA is trying to wake up again. So UMA, there is some nice volume hitting into UMA. So UMA is very explosive, guys. So UMA, keep an eye on it. Put that damn indicator on and just look what's going on. So UMA, it has got a volume of 10 million. I don't know what UMA is doing, but UMA is also trying trying to. Okay, guys, start sharing your altcoins now because I'm almost closing up on the altcoins that I'm eyeing for the weekend. But let's just say I'm waiting for the markets to close down to know if we're going to be bullish or bearish. That's something that I'm keeping an eye on for now. And for now, how is it looking? You know, these markets like to pump up the last hour, 2 hours of the market close. So we have to keep an eye on that one. If this thing starts ramping up at the last hours, well, that could give us some potential nice trades for the weekend. We got to make some nice money. And if it closes down, we're also going to make money because that's when the team will start shorting the shit out of them. So let me know the altcoins that you guys are eyeing. Let me see, what do we've got over here? Hello everybody, hello. We shared a post, thank you. I am being late to the party. Sorry, Crypto Bender sold me Moonriver at 80 bucks. I'm so, listen, I really am sorry, bro. I'm not laughing at you, but you know, let me tell you this. Crypto Banter is a very big company that needs to make money because that's why they're big and that's why they and you know, it's just a shilling machine going on. But let me tell you this, for the ones that are not following me for years now, you guys can't even imagine how much people from Banter I saved when Bitcoin was at 67K and they were all just buy, and I was telling them sell. So I really, you know, bro, I really feel for you, but sorry, bro, but it's really, David Obi, Theta Fuel, been holding for 3 years. Theta was also very big bang. So let me go check the altcoins. Share your altcoins, guy, because I'm going to do the altcoins. RSR, I'm liking this one, Runaway Hostage. RSI, there is something with this RSI. Well, what is going on with this RSI? I know that there was a time that Capo was shilling it, and you know everything that guy does. I really am so. That guy is so dangerous. Let me see what's going on over RSR. RSR is, to be honest, I'm, you know, RSR is. I don't what to say about RSR. Let me check the volume. RSR, I like RSR. I've been trading a lot of RSR, by the way, in the previous cycle, guys, because RSR is an old dog. It's no new dog, RSR. It's an old dog. I know RSR very good. Reserve rights. It's 11 million on a... Yeah, that's the thing with RSR. You see what the thing is about RSR and the reason also why it keeps going in this range over here. You know why that is? I can tell you why that is. That's because... It's because the fully diluted mark on a coin that has been here for a long time is still on the fully diluted market. It was 772. So there are still sellers over there. You know, guys, I teach you guys this over and over again. If you really want to be bullish on an altcoin long-term, mid-term, you need to make sure that the market cap is equal to the fully diluted market cap. Those are the coins that will pump the best. And or you'll also have some coins that got just like WLD did. There's like a lot of coins. Those get hyped and get some VCs behind it, and then they pump it up just to make a huge dump down. So I'm gonna explain this in very like I'm speaking to 5 years old. Bear with me. So listen to me very good. I'm going to say now, guys. I'm showing you guys, sharing with you guys the alpha you guys need to save yourself from getting wrecked and how to swim along the sharks and the whales to make the best gains in crypto. So listen to me what I'm going to say now. Suppose that I'm the owner of whatever coin out there. So I'm the owner of let's just say I'm the owner of MW coin. And I've got a lot of bags of W coin. Suppose that I've got a lot of bags of W coin. And at some moment I want to sell those bags. I want to sell them. But to sell them, I need liquidity. I need buyers. So for me to create buys, what I do as the owner of the project, what I'll do, the first thing, I start contacting a lot of influencers out there. And I'll tell them, would you like to, yeah, what's going on? Oh my God. Okay. Well, the team is killing it on their shorts at this moment. That's what those alarms are. They're killing it on those shorts. So what happens is, what I do is, suppose that I've got like, yeah. Guys, we're dumping. Well, very good. So what I do is, suppose that I've got like 10, okay, this thing will keep going on. So suppose that I've got like $10 million on the value at that moment. What I'll do is, I will invest like $1 million and start paying a lot of influencers out there to talk about MW indicator. Go shill it for me. Shill it to the community. Shill it. So suppose that it's over here, because, you know, it's for me an investment. Listen, guys, listen very good what I'm gonna say now. So suppose that I've got, so I told you guys, 69.4, we're already there. So we're dumping live, we're dumping live. Well, the Ondo short is going bananas. Free private group members, if you're in here, show some love. Show some love if you're in here, because your Ondo short is exploding at this moment. So for the ones that are in here from the free private, the Ondo is dumping. You guys are making money again, like always. So suppose that the price is over here. So what I do is, I can sell my bags, but I cannot sell them because I've got no buyers over here. So what I'll do is, I invest some money. I'm gonna go and invest some money, and what I just spend like guys, are we dumping that hard? Guys, tell me in the chat if we're dumping that hard. I'm trying to explain you guys something. Oh my God, look at, are you hearing this? This is going bananas, guys. This is going bananas. I know that the team has got, keep me updated in the chat what's going on with Bitcoin. Because oh my God, NOT is dumping like crazy. Oh my God, are we dumping? Oh, okay, let's stop this story, guys. Oh my God, we're dumping. Wait a minute, we're dumping live. I love this. Let me show, let's, okay, there we go. So we lost that one. A very quick one to here. Okay, well, beautiful. Let me check on the short of the free private group. How is Ondo doing? Let me see Ondo, because I know the team is in the Ondo short. Oh my God. Oh yeah, baby. The money. You guys are on the money. I hope you guys are closing in. Close in. Pre-private, if you're in here, take profits. Take profits in this box. Take profits, guys. If you're the ones that are in the short, take profits. We're dumping hard. Well, come on, bro. This is not a big dump. Are you seeing this? This is dump. This is what it's, just like in the start of the vid. I told you, if this thing starts going down, Bitcoin is looking weak. It will dump even harder. And as you guys can see, this one is going down. So Bitcoin is doing this. I just explained it to you guys. I just said it. I said if Bitcoin, if this thing starts going down, Bitcoin will dump very hard to the 69.3 levels. And that's exactly what is happening. I just told you like 15 minutes ago. Yeah. Well, the shorts are exploding. The NOT is exploding. And Ondo is also exploding. I'm getting some messages from the team here. They are opening up the champagne bottle again and again. We are dumping hard as a bit catching on. Well, you know, I told you that it might dump now, but you know, this thing could close bullish in the last 2 hours. So that's something to keep an eye on. It could close bullish in the last 2 hours. So what time is it now? We still have 2 time. But you know, guys, to be honest, I hope that this thing just crashes down, because that's the best for us traders. We can buy a lot of altcoins. This thing needs to crash down. I don't think it will happen, because it almost never happened. But NOT is exploding. NOT trade and the Ondo trade. They're exploding. Yeah, team. Wait a minute. Let me message them. Yes. Okay, guys. We're dumping hard. We're bleeding. Dumping hard. Well, that's good. At least if you are following me, and watched my video of yesterday, then it's good. If you have short positions open, just also if you're, I think that most of you guys are all in the free private that are over here. I think all of you guys are in the free private. So you should all be at least in the Ondo short, at least. I hope that you guys are. So let me go back to my story, because it's very important what I'm going to explain you guys now. So suppose that I'm holding, let me, where was I? I was over here, I was over here. So suppose that I've been, I want, you know, I've got a lot of coins, the MW coins, and I want to sell it. Instead of selling it at this price level, I will not do that. I will not sell it over here. What I do is I go pay some influencers and tell them shill MW indicator or indicator, the MW coin, shill it to death. So what probably will happen, because when they start shilling is when retailers start aping in, and then the price goes up. So I paid those shillers, I paid them $1 million over here. But what do you think that my bags did over here? I made maybe like 20 million. And this is where I start dumping on you guys. So this is where you guys create liquidity, retailers are in, and this is where I dump my bags. This is how it works, guys, in crypto. If you don't know that, and that's how I try to train retailers to read that, and that's why I keep telling you guys, listen, when you see a certain group of shillers start shilling a coin, know that the sellers are preparing themselves to wreck those retailers. And that's also what I also say is, just like that Not coin, for example, the team is preparing. It was trending #1 on CoinMarketCap. What do you think? Why? Why is it trending #1? Why? I cannot say it on open, but I was telling you, team will short it. And from that moment on, Not has been dumping like crazy, because when I told you that on the live, it was over here. It was over here when I told you that. Over here, I told you over here, team is going into a short. If they weren't already, maybe they even filled over here. I really don't know, because I don't know where the team opened up their short. But guys, look at this. Look at this. Only from here. Just suppose they didn't open here. Let's just say from when I said they were going to short it. This is a 30% dump on a 20x, 600%. It's a lot of freaking money. It's a lot of freaking money. So you have to understand the game, why something happens and why we keep nailing our targets, because we know how the game in crypto is played. And 90.99999% of retailers, they do not understand how the crypto game is played. They don't understand it. What they do is they just open up their YouTube channel, favorite YouTube channel, or they just go on Twitter. Well, that guy says that this coin will go to the moon. Well, maybe it will go to the moon from the moment he shills. Maybe it will go up, but it will dump even harder. But they already made you a believer, because you have to know this. Retailers, most of the retailers, they are no gain traders. They don't take profits. Because why? Because that influencer, he told them that that coin is going to the moon. So when he makes a 50, 60, 70% up, well, the FOMO is going on, and those owners are preparing to dump it down. No, he's a believer, so he will not take profits over. He will just, because he's dreaming about the fact that he's going to the moon. And this is what will happen. And this is where we are, the gain trading channel, the grain traders. When we reach over here, we are together with those scammy wolves. We're shorting this. So, and well, it's just how it is. But a lot of retailers are getting totally wrecked. But that's what I'm trying to show you guys and trying to educate you guys. How to read those markets. How to read those shills. Because they are very important. You need to read them. You need to understand them to make the gains. Because, you know, let me tell you something about myself. When I was new in crypto, I was like, okay, you've got charts, you've got analyzers, you've got influencers. And I was like, oh, these influencers, nice people, very good people. I was following, watching a lot of shows. I think, okay, but what's going on? When I was looking at what they were saying and what I was seeing in my analysis, it was always the opposite. So I was thinking to myself, wait a minute, are they not seeing what I'm seeing? Are they not seeing that this is a very bearish momentum to buy a coin or an altcoin or a Bitcoin or whatever? Are they blind or is it me? So every time when I was watching these guys, I think, what's going on? What's going on? And then, like we say in Dutch, het kwartje was gevallen. That's when it came into my mind, wait a minute. These guys are not out there to help retailers to make money. No, these guys are out there, they're getting paid to share a sentiment, and they don't care about retailers if they're gonna get wrecked or they're gonna get rich or whatever. The most important part for these guys is that they will get rich. What happens to the retailers? Well, it's your own risk. You should have done your own research. You should have educated yourself. It's no financial advice. We told you to go all in, but it's no financial advice. If you're wrecked and you have to sell your, if you have to sell your house, you have to you have gambled all your money, lost all your money of your children for the education, for college money, etc. Well, I'm sorry, we can't help you. That's when it came, and that's, by the way, guys, also, that's when I came on social media, started fighting those guys. That's my story. That's my honest story. That's my honest story how I ended up on social media. Because I was in a trading group, educating, and we were doing a lot of things, made a lot of money, became financially independent, etc. But that was not the reason why I came into social media. My social media story is very simple. It's those influencers, those same top 10 influencers that you guys all know. Those were the reason why I am on social media. Because maybe the past year I've calmed a bit down, but if you would know me from 21, 22, 23, I've been beating up on social media so many, it was incredible. And you know, like now, live, we're now live. You know, you see this candle? This is a lot of money. I know that the team is making 5 figures at this moment. Let me check Ondo. How is Ondo doing? How is Ondo doing? Ondo, let me check. You know, and by the way, guys, these dumps that why? Let me ask another. Why did I share Ondo? It's not because Ondo there was something going on or whatever. Why did I share Ondo? Ondo was, in my opinion, the safest coin to short. That's why they shorted. And this is, guys, if listen, anyone in the group, in the free private group, I shared Ondo, I think somewhere around here or here, I don't know where it was. But if you would forget about me telling you about Ondo, because I did some TA on it and some trend lines and I was showing you guys how to short it. But look at this. Rejected, 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 rejected. We came back, rejected. And then boom. And this is where the team probably has got 5-figure in profits. And guys, the ones that are know me, because most of you guys know me in this live, most of you guys all know me. I do this for years. I nail those charts for years, over and over and over and over again. So if you're not catching up on these trades, if you're not making money, you're probably doing something wrong. You're probably doing something wrong. So think about that one, guys. You're probably doing, maybe you're watching too much noise out there. Maybe you're focused on too much noise. Maybe you're too emotional to trade. Especially for the leverage traders. If you can't control your emotions. I got a DM today from one of the free private group members. He told me, listen, Ambi, I'm missing a lot of trades and I get stopped out. So I'm doing probably something wrong. You're definitely doing something wrong. Because if you are in the free private group, if you are not in Ondo, you're not focusing. You're not listening to me. You're not watching my vids. You're not seeing what I'm doing. You're just waiting for someone to give you a signal. That's what you're doing. Because if you would listen to me and you would watch my vids and focus on based on what I'm telling you, you should have known if MW gives a call on a coin to short, this guy probably has done his homework. He knows what he's doing. And look at this, guys. Just look at this. There is no better entry than this list. Rejected, 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 and boom. And this is where you cash out. This is how you make money. Because I know that the team made money. I'm now doing it live, guys, so you guys understand. This is where they take money, this liquidity level, this zone over here. And if you would put it on the daily, ta-da, what are you seeing over here? You're seeing exactly, the indicator will show you the way. Just like I always keep repeating myself over and over and over again. The indicator shows you the ways, guys. Listen when it dumped, look at it. It came to the indicator and then this strong bounced up. But I know that the team they took profits over here. I know it for 1000% sure. You know why? Because I educated them to do so. They know this. And what I want to reach now is that the free private group members, you have to be the same, just like the team. You don't need me to tell you, for example, that you're going to take profits over here. No, because I'm educating you to do so without me telling you. So you see this liquidation zone, you see the indicator. This is a dump of 20-30%. It depends on how much money you put in that short, but you can take 5K, 10K, 20K, 30K, whatever profits over here. And you know why you see these spikes. And let me show you guys something else. For the ones that don't understand leverage trading, you see this power up, this one. Do you see this power? This is not people buying in on Ondo, this move up. This is people taking profits from their shorts, because when you take profits from your shorts, it turns into a long in leverage trading. So this is what you're seeing. You're seeing this is maybe even the team has got a big role over here in this bounce up. Why? Because they took profits from their short, and when you close your short, it turns around into a long. That's just how those charts work. But it's, you know, what do I keep telling you guys? It's all about analyze, plan, believe, and then strike. This Ondo trade, it was planned, it was analyzed, it was planned. We believed, and that's when I shared it, and then the strike came. So that's how they make money. And you know, if I would be one of you guys, suppose that I'm one of you guys, so I'm at home, I'm at my computer, and I'm on my chart, and I open up my YouTube channel. Let's see what is going on in YouTube. What's going on? I don't give a crap about what they're talking about. What I need is just like a very good friend of mine. He's today not in the live. I think that he's working. He keeps telling me, MB, just tell me how to make money. For me, everything else is noise. Just show me how I can make money. I don't give a damn about anyone or any asset or any influence. I want to know how to make money. That's the only thing that you have to show me. And that's what I do for years. I only focus on how to make money, how to educate retailers, how to make money trading. And you know, I know for 1000% sure that I'm in the top 5 best content creators for retailers on YouTube and CT. Do I get the respect? No, I don't get it. But there is a big reason for that. Why? Because I am no part of the marketing machine. I am against them. I refuse to work for them. I refuse to take their damn money, and I'm fighting against everything that they share. And that's why I also shared it yesterday. I'm about the most feared influencer on CT. Because why? I'm not going along with them. I'm going against the stream. And that's why also a lot of retailers love me, the ones that found me. But most of the retailers, they are filled by greed, and they only think about, listen, I've got to get rich tomorrow and the day after, I would just want to get rich. That's not how it works. Greed and emotions make you poor. These are the greed and emotions are the two biggest enemies of retailers. Greed and emotions. These are the two biggest enemies of retailers. When you greed, because why? CT sells you greed. And you guys are very sensitive to greed, because everyone that shows you that he's driving a Lamborghini and that he became rich in crypto, 90.99% are full of crap. They didn't get rich on crypto. They didn't get rich in trading. They didn't get rich in investing. They get rich on marketing. That's how they get rich. They do marketing. They get paid to tell you stuff. That's what they get. They get paid to tell you stuff, and that's how they became rich, and not out of trading. Because if they would be good traders, then all the retailers in the world will be good traders. So there will be no losers. So, and the facts are, the numbers are, is that more than 90% lose money in crypto and not make money in crypto. So wake the freak up. Don't be like all of them. Don't follow me. Forget about me, but go find someone that's not an elite or a part of the marketing machine. Go look for someone that's showing you how to make money. That's what you have to be looking for. Don't look for the one that has got the most followers. Don't look for the one that got the biggest show. Don't look for the one that's doing giveaways. Don't look for the one that's telling you that he's great and that he did whatever and deleting like 50% of his mistakes that he made on CT or on YouTube. These are all people making money out of marketing, paid programs that go on and on and on and on. So be very careful. This is what you have to be focused on. So we had our dump beautifully on Ondo. I hope that you guys that are watching live sold over here, made a lot of money. So let me go and see what we've got over here, guys. We've got Bash, Fed maybe, a spot DCA buy zone. High RLC might be DCS buy zone, high dummy. That's also my can't focus. Too much distractions and emotion get in the way. Oh, that's the whole. Oh, there. Bonjour, bonjour, Monsieur Mamar. Bonjour, bonjour, Monsieur. Let me see. We've got Fed, Bash, Fed. I'm no fan of Fed. I already talked about it yesterday, so I don't know if you watched that show about Fed AI coins. When I shared my AI coins, I talked about Fed. Fed. I think that there are much better opportunities for Fed. Fed already has got a very big market cap and made a very big pump already. So I think that train already left. So I would focus on another AI coin, one with a lower market cap, fully diluted market that's very healthy, and I would go to that one. So if you missed the AI vid, I just made it like yesterday or the day before. So go check that one, please. So let me see. But learn from you to always keep, what is this? Keep money on the side. Just bought some Fed and RLC and DCA. We'll buy more of this one. Yeah, that's the style. That's the style. But just keep in mind my vid of yesterday. So if you're buying now, you're buying in. Keep an eye that. Take profits on the way up. Just if it, on the bounce, take profits. Just close those profits in, because I think that we've got one more leg. Let me show you guys this one. Well, we've got this bounce. This is also the reason why Ondo is going up, by the way. But you know, I made the video yesterday. I think that we will hit this zone over here. I think that we'll get into this box before a big dump. So I think that we'll get here. If we don't get it, well, so be it. Then we're going down just from here. But this is the, let me zoom out, guys. This is it, guys. I think that we are now over. Let me remove this one. We're now over here. I think that max we can go into the 54 if we will manage to get there. So if we'll manage, we'll get there. And then here's the hammer, guys. I think that over here somewhere we will get the dump down and we'll get a lot of blood and a lot of buy opportunities. So don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. If you're buying every dump, buy every dump. DCA, have enough cash to buy more. But you have to be prepared for the real blood. You have to be prepared for the real blood, because when this thing starts turning down and making a correction, let me show you guys on the weekly so you can see it, because you have to see it like this. We had this ramp up, well, exactly over here. Rejected, we came down to the indie, and now we're up. So, you know, this is the next level to watch. If we'll just break up here, then it's holy dody. Let's all go to the moon. Let's all join the shillers. And yes, we're going up and we're gonna long the shit out of a lot of altcoins. But if we'll get rejected and come down by, guys, that will be bloody. And, you know, the team is really hoping that we'll get that last leg up, because they want to get filled on a lot of shorts that they are preparing. And they're gonna long on the lower time frames and they will short on the bigger time frames. Just the style. Make small money and then the big money. Boom, boom, boom. So that's the next one. So RLC, and well, I love RLC. Also talked about RLC, by the way, in the AI coins. So guys, we're gonna close it up. I want to thank you all for watching. I hope that you guys learned something from what I you know. It's, you know, you have to understand, in trading, it's not only about the charts, guys. It's not only about the charts. There are a lot of other stuff that play a big role in how to make money. You have to connect it all together. And it's very hard, I understand, but I'm here to teach you guys step by step how to do it. I'm showing you guys all the tools you need. I'm showing you guys all the charts to watch. I'm showing you guys all the dangers in the crypto markets. I'm showing you guys everything that can expose someone why he's doing what he's doing. But you have to listen. If you don't want to listen, if the greed is eating you alive, you don't want to listen, I can't help you. I just can't help you. I only can help you if you're willing to listen. So if you want to join us, free private, there are links below. Trade on Weex, you'll get airdropped, whatever. I'm getting some question about the airdrop and etc. When airdrop, I really don't have a clue. I will ask my contact how these airdrops work and when they get released, etc. Because I know that a lot of people have gotten a lot of airdrops already, but those were the ones that were participating in the X reposts, and they were posting their P&Ls, etc. Like I instructed in the free private. So those ones I've received a lot of DMs about people getting airdrops. But guys, I will come back to that on when the airdrop will happen, when you get those tokens. But a lot of retailers already received tokens, but I don't know if the ones that are trading and open up a new account, if they also have received their tokens already, when they will get released. But if you want to trade, watch, by the way, watch the Weex airdrop token vid. If you want to join us, open up an account on Weex or on MEXC or on OKX. Links are below. Fund them, and then you get access to the free private group. You also get access to the indicator for the free private group. Man, we're working on the Discord. It's getting a bit late because there are some adjustments getting hit over there. So very soon we'll flip from Telegram to Discord. Just bear with me, and I really hope that you guys made a lot of money on those. So show some love. I'm gonna do a little bit of charting with some music, and then we're gonna close it up. Thanks all for watching, and I will keep you guys updated about the weekend trades. What we're gonna do is there some potential to go short, go long, what coins are showing strength, how are we going to make money, because it's all about making money. The rest is all noise. Once you will understand that one, that's when you will become financially independent. If you got the guts to believe in yourself, analyze, plan, believe, strike. That's just how it works. That's what we've been doing all year long. Thank you very much, and have a nice one, and show some love in the chat, please. And until the next one, and bye-bye. This is trading. Short it, sell big profits in the...
Take the damn profits at the liquidity zones. Look at it, just look at it, guys. I really don't know what to show you more. Short the FOMO, buy the liquidities, or take profits. The ones holding Lena short, congrats, congrats, congrats.